Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this 2009 Toyota electric order picker, model number 7BPUE15, ID number 5646. You need to know that this order picker has super low hours, only 177 hours. It has a base capacity of 3,000 pounds and it runs on a 24-volt battery. Now you'll see here that it has those battery covers as well as that yellow strobe. There we go. Now the mast has an overall lowered height of 107 inches and it has a max lift height of 240 inches. Now coming over here to the operator side of things, you'll see that we have 42-inch standard tapered forks. We also have the operator switch here on the floor, and we have that emergency disconnect. Up here at the top, you'll see that we have these lights here on both sides, and we also have an operator fan. And this also has a backup alarm. Now this order picker is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this order picker, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.